Are you searching for the best car dash camera in online? There were so many brands and models that you got totally confused. So, I started this channel to explore and share the best options with you. A dashcam records your driving, it helps in accidents, gives proof for insurance, and keeps your car safe when parked. Plus, it captures unexpected moments on the road and can even lower your insurance premiums. Don't worry. We have done the research for you. Trusted platforms like Amazon customer reviews, Flipkart reviews, Trustpilot ratings, Quora questions and answers, and even Walmart reviews, everything to help you choose the right one. We're comparing the best car dash camera, Wolfbox, 70mm, Kubo and VIOFO, to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Let's kick off with video resolution, because resolution defines how sharp and detailed your footage looks on screen. VIOFO and Wolfbox stand tall with stunning 4K output that's sharp enough to read plates and signs from a distance, while Kubo and 70mm offer crisp 3K clarity, perfect for everyday road safety footage. Next, we explore frame rate, the key to smooth, jitter-free playback even at high speeds. VIOFO and 70mm shine with 60 fps recording that keeps fast-moving objects fluid and sharp, especially at highway speeds, while Kubo and Wolfbox run at a decent 30 fps, still great for consistent city driving and casual trip logging. Let's check out field of view, how much road your dashcam can actually see in capture. Wolfbox offers a massive 170 degrees front and 150 degrees interior view, covering nearly every corner of your drive, while the others stick to a 140 degrees view, ideal for front and rear coverage without distortion or blind zones. Time to talk WDR, the technology that balances bright sunlight and dark shadows for clear footage. All dashcams here feature WDR, balancing dark and bright areas in every frame so no detail gets lost, great for driving at dawn, dusk, or against harsh headlights that usually wash out ordinary footage. Now we look at dual and triple channel support, for capturing the front, rear, and even inside your vehicle. Wolfbox goes a step further with triple channel coverage including the inside cabin, while 70mm, Kubo, and VIOFO offer solid dual channel support to keep an eye both ahead and behind you for full road safety assurance. Let's move into loop recording, the smart way to manage storage without missing key events. Every dashcam here includes loop recording that auto-deletes the oldest footage to make space for new clips, so you are never stuck with a full memory card when something important happens on the road. Up next is night vision, because clear footage after dark is just as important as during the day. VIOFO and Wolfbox deliver excellent clarity using STA-RVIS sensors that pull out incredible detail from low-light scenes, while Kubo and 70mm provide reliable night performance that easily handles street lights and glare. It's time for smart features like G-Sensor, Wi-Fi, App Sync and emergency recording that make your dashcam smarter. All 4 dashcams offer Wi-Fi connectivity and App Sync, letting you view footage in real time or save incidents instantly. The G-Sensor adds auto emergency recording when it detects sudden motion or an impact. Let's talk parking mode, the silent guardian that keeps recording even when your car is off. Wolfbox and Kubo feature built-in parking modes, while VIOFO adds buffered recording that captures events before and after impact. It's your 24/7 digital guard for hit and runs or suspicious movement when parked. Up next, ADAS and motion detection, to add proactive safety and security while driving or parked. Each camera comes with ADAS to alert you about lane departures or potential collisions. Motion detection turns your dashcam into a security device, instantly recording when there's activity around your parked vehicle. Let's dive into control options, from hands-free voice commands to easy app-based management. From voice control to app-based management, all models make it easy to change settings or download footage without touching the dashcam. You get full control in the palm of your hand, wireless and seamless. Now we look at GPS tracking, because knowing your route, speed, and location can make all the difference. All 4 models come with GPS tracking to log your speed and route. It's a big win for accident reports or delivery tracking and even helps keep a record of your scenic road trips, all time-stamped and accurate. Let's take a quick look at brand origins, understanding where each dashcam comes from. Wolfbox is from the USA, Kubo is homegrown in India, while VIOFO and 70mm hail from China with a strong global reputation. It's all about choosing between local innovation or internationally proven performance. Next, mounting type, how securely and discreetly your dashcam sticks to your windshield. All brands use adhesive mounts that stick firmly to your windshield. These mounts are low profile and vibration resistant, making installation easy and providing solid grip through bumpy rides and rough terrains. Let's explore audio recording, because hearing what's around adds crucial context to your videos. All 4 dash cams support audio recording to capture conversations, road sounds, or incidents, great for Uber drivers, incident documentation, or even keeping a log of road instructions or directions during a trip. Now for brand reputation, an indicator of long-term reliability and customer satisfaction. VIOFO and 70mm are rated high in reliability and global trust, while Wolfbox and Kubo are gaining momentum with solid performance in Indian markets. Brand trust brings peace of mind and consistent after-sales service. Let's talk storage capacity, how much footage your dashcam can hold before it loops over. Kubo wins here with support for up to 1 TB, enough for weeks of footage. Wolfbox and VIOFO back it with 512GB capacity, and 70mm offers up to 256GB, ideal for most users needing a week's backup with loop recording enabled. Next up, screen size, important for live viewing, quick playback, and easy menu navigation. Kubo leads with a 3.2-inch display, followed by Wolfbox's 3.0-inch screen. VIOFO offers a compact 2.4-inch and 70mm has a 2-inch screen, perfect for quick previews, real-time views, and easy angle adjustment during install. Now we focus on license plate clarity, the true test of dashcam resolution in real-world use. VIOFO offers ultra-clear 4K at 60 fps, making license plates readable even on moving vehicles. The others do well with 3K UHD or 4K clarity, more than enough for city traffic, hit-and-run proof, and insurance documentation. Let's examine overall video quality, how sharp and lifelike your dashcam footage really looks. VIOFO stands out with cinematic video quality that's razor sharp. The rest, Wolfbox, Kubo, and 70mm, offer reliable, good, great visuals, making them great for everyday commuters and road trip vloggers alike. It's time to consider value for money, what you get for the price you pay. VIOFO is placed on the premium side but packs high-end specs. The others come in at moderate pricing, giving excellent value for money if you're looking for essential features with reliable performance and build. Let's check out user reviews, what real buyers are saying after hands-on experience. Wolfbox leads with over 12,000 Amazon ratings, showing wide adoption. Kubo and 70mm also have solid 4.2+ stars, and VIOFO, though newer, is already hitting 4.6, proving it's trusted by early adopters and experts alike. Now we assess build quality, how well your dashcam stands up to heat, bumps, and long drives. VIOFO and 70mm offer high-quality builds that endure heat and motion. Wolfbox follows closely with a sturdy design, while Kubo, although slightly average, still holds up well for typical urban driving and dash use. Let's talk warranty, the safety net that protects your investment from early defects or issues. All 4 dashcams provide a 1-year warranty covering any early issues or defects. Always register your product and keep the receipt handy. Warranty support helps avoid surprise repair costs or replacements down the line. And finally, overall satisfaction, a summary of how each brand performs across the board. VIOFO scores the highest at 4.6 out of 5 for excellence in quality and features. 70mm and Wolfbox follow close with 4.5 ratings, and Kubo holds steady at 4.1, proving it's a value pick for those seeking Indian-made trust. Lastly, when it comes to price, to check the latest models and current prices, just click the link in the description. We are committed to reviewing only well-rated, reliable products, no cheap or poorly rated items. We avoid recommending low-quality items that don't last. Choose us for honest reviews focused on quality, performance, and value. As we look at the top 4 brands, remember that the items inside the box can be different. Some give only the main product, while others add extra things, so always check the details to know what you are getting with each brand. Your subscription is more than just a click, it's a vote of confidence that motivates us to keep creating valuable videos for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Brand Investigation YouTube channel.